You'll get to know the 10 minimalistic rules that you must follow to stay stable. If you don't follow these rules, you will destroy your finances. So watch this video till the end to know all these. Now let's start. Number 1. Prioritize spending less than what you earn, ensuring your lifestyle remains sustainable. Many individuals believe that achieving financial stability is primarily about increasing their income. However, the truth is that it often stems from reducing expenses. A minimalist approach to finances shifts your perspective. Rather than enhancing your lifestyle with each income increase, you intentionally limit your expenditures and allow the difference to expand. This margin serves as your protective cushion, your catalyst for growth, and a means to alleviate financial pressure. By earning $100,000 while maintaining a comfortable lifestyle of $65,000, you have established a significant financial cushion that safeguards you against potential layoffs, inflationary pressures, and poor financial choices. The essential strategy is to combat lifestyle inflation, which can quietly erode your wealth. It's important to redefine success not by what you can purchase, but by what you can choose to overlook. Number 2, prioritize establishing a solid emergency fund as your first step. Before making any investments, exploring side hustles, or attempting to outperform the market, it is essential to establish a solid foundation of stability. A minimalist approach positions an emergency fund as essential rather than merely optional. Maintaining 3 to 6 months' worth of essential expenses in a high-yield savings account may not appear thrilling, yet it serves as a crucial buffer against debt when unexpected situations arise. Medical bills, job loss, car repairs, these are common occurrences that we all face at some point in our lives. Achieving financial stability involves focusing on risk management rather than solely chasing high returns. This principle safeguards against unforeseen events that could jeopardize your hard-earned progress. Now, subscribe to our channel and also press the like button to know more minimalistic rules. Number 3, take decisive action to eliminate high-interest debt. In the realm of finance, embracing minimalism involves eliminating elements that hinder your progress, with high-interest debt being the most significant obstacle. Credit card interest rates frequently surpass 20%, indicating that every dollar you allocate towards investments while maintaining that debt is essentially diminishing your financial growth. The fundamental principle is straightforward. Refrain from investing, avoid luxury expenditures, and eliminate any shortcuts until that debt is fully resolved. Approach it with a focused strategy, utilizing either the avalanche or snowball method, and prioritize it as a critical matter. Eliminating high-interest debt is one of the quickest strategies to achieve financial stability, as it alleviates ongoing financial stress. Number 4, automate all processes that contribute to wealth accumulation. A streamlined approach can help alleviate decision fatigue. Rather than depending on monthly discipline, you establish a system that operates independently. Streamline your savings, streamline your investments, streamline your bills. By automating contributions to retirement accounts, index funds, and savings before you have a chance to access the funds, you effectively eliminate the risk of impulsive spending. This principle establishes consistency as a standard practice rather than an ongoing struggle. Over time, automation fosters a consistent and gradual buildup of wealth that is independent of personal drive or fluctuations in the market. Number 5, focus on maintaining a limited number of financial accounts while ensuring you utilize them effectively. Numerous individuals tend to overcomplicate their financial situations by managing an excessive number of accounts, applications, and investment approaches. Embracing a minimalist approach to finance involves prioritizing simplicity and purpose in your financial decisions. It's unnecessary to have an excessive number of credit cards, multiple brokerage accounts, or numerous budgeting applications. Consider adopting a simplified approach. Maintain a single checking account, a high-yield savings account, one or two credit cards, and a retirement or brokerage account. Simplifying your financial life allows for more effective tracking, management, and optimization. Complexity can obscure inefficiencies, whereas simplicity tends to reveal them. Number 6, focus on consistent investment rather than trying to be clever. Building wealth isn't about trying to outsmart the market. It's about having the patience to endure it over time. Adopting a straightforward approach to investing emphasizes the importance of maintaining consistency rather than relying on intricate strategies. It is essential to consistently allocate funds into low-cost index funds, irrespective of the prevailing news narratives. Attempting to time the market, select successful stocks, or follow trends frequently results in emotional choices and financial setbacks. Instead, you adhere to a straightforward strategy and remain dedicated to it during periods of market fluctuations. Over the years, this strategy steadily accumulates value, transforming consistent effort into lasting financial freedom. Number 7, postpone significant expenditures as a standard practice. Minimalist finance creates intentional barriers in the areas that significantly impact your spending habits. One of the most effective strategies is to postpone any non-essential expenditure exceeding a specific limit, like $200 or $500, for a minimum of 48 hours or even up to 30 days. This pause helps to curb impulsive purchases and encourages more deliberate decision-making. Many purchases tend to diminish in value over time, and those that retain their significance after a period of reflection are typically the ones that justify the investment. This principle can lead to significant annual savings and ensures that your expenditures reflect your true priorities rather than fleeting emotions. Number 8, establish what constitutes sufficient for you before pursuing additional gains. Uncertainty in financial matters frequently arises from a lack of clear goals. Without a clear understanding of what constitutes enough, you may consistently feel as though you're lagging, regardless of your income level. Establishing a clear financial baseline is essential. Determine the monthly amount required for comfortable living, identify your savings goals, and understand the lifestyle that brings you true satisfaction. Once established, you can cease pursuing superfluous enhancements and concentrate on safeguarding and expanding what is already effective. This fosters understanding, alleviates stress, and breaks the continuous loop of increasing income without achieving a greater sense of security. Number 9, safeguard your earnings as if they are your most valuable resource. Your income serves as the driving force for all aspects of your financial health, impacting your savings, investments, and overall lifestyle choices. Emphasizing a streamlined approach to finance focuses on safeguarding that core asset. This involves ensuring you have the necessary skills, securing appropriate insurance coverage, such as health, disability, and life, and exploring opportunities to diversify your income sources whenever feasible. Achieving financial stability involves more than just managing your funds. It requires a focus on maintaining a steady income stream. Experiencing a loss of income without adequate preparation can quickly lead to instability in your life. Therefore, this principle emphasizes the importance of building resilience over merely focusing on accumulation. Number 10, evaluate your financial situation on a monthly basis rather than on a daily schedule. Monitoring your finances excessively can lead to unnecessary stress, whereas neglecting them can result in disorder. It is advisable to conduct a thorough review of all your financial matters on a monthly basis, ensuring that each assessment is purposeful and strategic. In this review, you evaluate your expenditures, savings, investment portfolio, and any anticipated costs. It's important to make necessary adjustments, rectify any errors, and reinforce your strategy. This approach ensures you stay informed while maintaining a manageable flow of information. Now, watch the video appearing on the left side to know the signs that show you're above average Americans financially. Also, subscribe to our channel to help us complete our goal of 11,000 subscribers.